Hi guys, I'm Jim and this is Jim's Gadget Corner. And I don't know if I'm early or late. I think I'm a couple weeks late. I'm giving away this remote I built for a dust collector or anything you want to turn off and on with this little remote. It's in here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Little remote here. Now, if you put your name in on this, you got pretty good odds, because apparently I don't have a lot of people with table saws that watch this channel. I have my high-tech computer that's going to draw a name. I have 6 names, so you got pretty good odds of winning this thing. Now I'm going to try and draw out a name out of here, and I will call you and find out what plugs you need on this thing, and I'll wire it up for you and I'll ship it. I have Mike from Virginia. Now, if you can read that. Mike, I'll be giving you a call tonight and let you know that you won, and you can send me a picture of the plug on your dust collector or whatever you want to turn on. I need a picture of, let's see, of it when you're holding it, so I can see the plug configuration, so I can get you the right plugs to put on this thing. So Mike, I'll be giving you a call tonight, and that's it. Now the next thing we're giving away is going to be from J&R Woodworking. It's going to be this leg up from Landon Innovations. They were nice enough to send this to me, and I already had one, so we're going to give it away. So get your names in on this. September 1st, we're going to pull a name out of this high-tech box I got here, and we're going to give it away. So until next time, work safe, have fun, and get your name over here. And phone number, because I got to call you. We'll talk to you soon.